Fresh drop.
Dog, yeah. JLP can't get my vote. Look on the state, a high man road. The patrol them big like Anjanot. That my whole me attack can't whip on phone. No crumble, my Benz can't drive on the road.
We not invite
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club of Them TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Them no man a pifle. Amazon, the pump rifle, the bright.
Did win and win fear? I wanna cuss. Me not get upset about politics, but all this time I hear about TV in politics. I force me a seat on a blood clot tonight. Bobby Dow in Western St. Mary. But I want thing me glad say. You know what me glad say? Pussy Wall Marriage now win Central St. Mary. On a fuck out no about champ. Which blood clot champ when I make holy people ball about your pussy? Pussy you cannot win. And me say that with my chest, I am in a blood clot business. Me no business. Because whether PMP or labor right in, I'm in work with my have to eat food.
Evil, corrupt, big-nosed man. Abuse of power. That's the cry today. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is being accused of using the police to block PNP voters. Reports are coming in that cops were sent to shut down ballot stations, stopping PNP supporters from casting their vote. One eyewitness even claimed officers went as far as beating PNP voters. If true, this isn't just politics. This is corruption at the highest level. Because when a leader can weaponize the police to silence the people, ask yourself,
laugh off of them. Laugh off of them.
this. If you have to silence voters to win, did you really win, or are you just scared of the people's choice?
Me say everybody away from facing near fire, but guess what now? PNP won the election. March we are march, go a parliament with 29 MP seat. Me feel good, me feel good. 14 seats we have in there, now at 29 we double it and add one pan it, 29 seats. So, all who say PNP lose, for me, PNP win. We just never get the Prime Minister spot. But we are going good, man. And Holness, boy, you know for thief. I don't understand all you did there behind. As me blink me eye so, me say you win your constituency. All of a sudden, every Wi-Fi in Jamaica now work yesterday. Flow now work, digital now work. Whole heap of thing going on yesterday, you know. The polling station them, MP a go there, a disrupt things. People can't find their name on voters list, then go send them go on different place for vote. When they now vote, them not there for vote this again at different place and send them. Whole heap of style and craft on use. But you couldn't stop. Yeah man, Mark Golden, big up yourself. Don't feel no way, brother. At 29 seats you have in a parliament. Them only have 5 seats more you. And one of them have to be a house speaker, so you know what thing go. But don't a country there though, don't have Vaz there. Don't have Vaz Portland there. What go on down there? When you really tell me say people and take the money and switch pan her, the people they want to change down there. No road alone they want, man. They want job. And you land them with them a thief and a buy for themselves.
Holness, kneel.
You myself knows a feeder scale. And I represent what? Club of Them TV. They hear paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Club of Them TV. Feeder scale is out here. They hear
Holness.
You myself know. Come on, baby, let me kneel it in. Come on, baby, let me drive it in. Come on, baby, let me knock your ear. Kneel. Club of Them TV, you hear Holness.
And I put on for them name. And that the people them vote I road for, if you never know. And I road. I land them with them a thief, she and Darrell Vaz, especially. Yeah man, that them vote I road for. Jamaica people are wise up man, but the one them will not go vote now. I want to come out uno now. Why don't turn on the yard and not go vote? Uno should have come out go vote, man. Come out go vote. Uno feel say Labour right they win by a big margin. They don't win their seat by a big margin. Some seat was close. But I want him, I can say, PNP win in my eye. From 14 seats to 29 seats in the parliament, that is good. Andrew Holness, remember say you have to cut the taxes, you know. From the 25% to 15%. Remember, you have to cut the taxes. And remember, you need to give the people them 32,000 over this third term. So, do it make we see. Do it make we see, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Thief, then say thief no likes a thief with long back. So, I guess that's how you go for real.
Yes. I know so today I'm earth strong, so you what me know.
So better to me and say, big yourself when you're earth strong, you're a good youth.
Give thanks.
May the power of the Almighty God bless you at all times.
Every
Long
time.
life and prosperity and health and strength. We need to endorse one another and love each other. See me I say,
just like that.
Holness, Bertha's birthday. See me I say, don't know. Guide him, oh Jah. Protect him, oh God. Jah, you never let Bertha's down. No, the devil a fraud. Devil is a liar, dear. God are the greatest. Bertha's.
Give thanks.
Long life.
Yes, my people. Back with the next video again, you know. You know, when I sit down enough time, I pray, I say, why we as a people love the thief over the righteous man? Because you see Jesus coming, you know, and Jesus do all of the right things and say all of the right things. But when at the end, them say, give it the thief and crucify Jesus. You don't see it? It come like say, we rather the thief more than the righteous man at all times. You see, we cling to the thief. We try to work with the thief more than we work with the righteous man. Right? We are work with a boss, you know. You never thief him yet. And he treat you like dirt, but the man we are thief him, he treat him like a king. Why? And little him don't know say the thief come to kill and destroy. Right? The thief come to kill and destroy. Thief not have no conscience. And thief will never have no conscience. So check yourself before you wreck yourself.
My Jamaican people, I have one thing to tell you guys. It's not your birth that make you a Jamaican. It's what you do for your country, Jamaica. So, anybody can come to Jamaica, come be one Jamaican, as long as you invest in your country, support politics. Andrew Holness. Why? If no more bodies say they were funny as they're really full just like you, sir. Sir, what's wrong with you? Sir, what's wrong with you? What you talking about? On the ban you want their country become a country, if you become a Jamaican citizen. And if you born in the island and born on the land and born on the ground, and get your birth paper say, yeah, you're born, yes, so. Alright, investor, no come to Jamaica, invest in our country and be a Jamaican. Anybody, we do get to open through labor right. You get to open through labor right. You no come invitation there. Go invest in the country and no be a Jamaican. You don't have to do nothing more. Just do something in a Jamaica, guys. What a prime minister.
I'm gonna fuck batty and suck pussy. On a nasty blood clot. When you think me I eat that boy, yeah? No for one boy will jump back a labor right boy and shower this. Now batty man. Which blood clot government can go get much millions of dollars from Canada and America? Eh? For open up batty in a Jamaica. I don't agree with that. Are them the people who go vote for? No for one some nasty shit or style it. That boy can't talk to me, you know. Some of no artists too, you know, me say I hug up all the Labour Party and I jump around the Labour Party. And I hug up the Prime Minister. No for one, I don't trust him. Because no matter what, me, nah blood clot, stand with no boy we I deal with nastiness in my country. Me nah stand for nobody we deal with nastiness in my country. You hear me I tell you? We nah deal with nobody. That's why enough for uno run go vote for blood clot Labour right because uno a lesbian, enough for uno a batty man, enough for uno no want work. Cause guess what? Yo, all me have to tell you no man. Just watch and see.
I hear that. Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care what get it coulda walk or run. Somebody blood fi go sharp and burn. The war start and I that done. Them a try to beat me. The pussy them a try.
Pull up after you and I first and last. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
Pull up
I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up. I want a time out.